How to create a TikTok account. To create a TikTok account, first download the TikTok app. Once you have it downloaded, go to the bottom menu and click the Me icon. Then, click Sign Up to create an account. You can use your phone or email, Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Apple to create an account. We'll use our email address. Then enter your birthday details and click Next. Here you can choose to sign up with your phone or email by clicking the tabs at the top. Then enter your email address into the field and click Next. Create a password that fits the requirements and click Next. Then choose a username, which you can always change later, and click Sign Up. Now if you select the Me icon again, you'll see that your account has been created and you can begin saving videos to your own account. And that's how to create a TikTok account. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.